It was a happy Christmas dinner for the Rain or Shine Elasto Painters last night after they closed out their win with a win over the Terra Firma Jeep. Final score here, 124 to 112, down 104 to 108 with less than 8 minutes left to play. Rain or Shine put up a 13-0 run to pull away from the still winless Terra Firma. Adrian Nocum then nailed the dagger with a triple at the 1 minute and 22-second mark. Nocum earned the player of the game honors with his 21 points, 7 rebounds, and 2 assists. The Elasto Painters rolled to a 4th straight victory and are now at 4-1 for second in the standings, just behind the Northport Batang Pier. Safe to say that Coach Yang Giao was happy after the win.
It's good to win 4 straight games before Christmas, before the New Year. We're having our Christmas dinner also, so mabuti na lang di nasira yung mood dun sa dinner namin. Kung hindi kami makakakain ng husto. No? So, masarap pa naman hinanda ni boss. So, mabuti na lang naipanalo namin sa tulong ni Adrian tsaka nung mga teammates niya.
Sa akin yun, sa matchup din, maganda rin yung matchup namin. Bata din yung si Paraiso, yan, sila Mark Nonoy, si Paulo, teammate ko sa Mapua. So, nag-stick lang ako sa game plan ni Coach yun. Kahit pa paano nakatulong sa team.
But it's not a not-so-merry Christmas for Vic Manuel and the Terra Firma Jeep after dropping their game against Rain or Shine. Terra Firma has yet to win a ball game in the PBA Commissioner's Cup. The Jeep are currently 0-7 in the conference. Manuel personally would have wanted to celebrate Christmas with a win for the Jeep. Nonetheless, still has plenty of reasons to be happy as he takes a much-needed Christmas break. The Muscle Man also hopes to have Terrence Romeo on board with Terra Firma next year.
Parang hindi ako sanay na ganong standing. Alam niyo naman, nasanay tayo sa puro panalo, di ba? So, yun, medyo malungkot yung Pasko ko ngayon. Kasi first time na winless sa conference. Okay, masaya ako. Kasi yun, nakakalaro, nakakatulong sa team. Diba? Kaso nga lang yun, medyo nahihirapan pa kami makuha yung unang panalo namin. Nandun na kami. Talagang nasi-short lang Nagkakaroon ng mga miscommunication, lalo sa mga last possession namin. Tapos ang aga namin na penalty. Yung siguro yung naging ng pagkatalo namin yun. Yung team namin? Good team. Sa tingin ko naman, baka hindi man ngayon, sa mga next conference, magiging better yung team namin. Diba? Kasi parang gano'n, parang late lang talaga na buo Tapos si DR, di pa nakakapaglaro.